Today is World Soil Day and we feel really passionate about it at Pico Technology, so we've conducted a little fun experiment to test our soil on our Pico grounds. The temperature of soil is important when it comes to vegetation and growing things, so let's see what kind of temperatures we're getting on this very cold day. So here we have our Raspberry Pi 5 running a 32-bit operating system, and that's running PicoLog, which our TC-08 is plugged into, and we've got this little ambient air temperature just to see what the temperature is like outside. So over here we've stuck a K-type thermocouple. It's about 10 centimeters down, so roughly the same depth as you'll plant a potato or onion. So we'll measure the soil temperature here. It's going to be a little more stable than the outside temperature because of the fact that it's in some kind of insulator. So we'll see what it looks like. So we're going to plug this all in, have it powering over 24 hours, and then we'll see what kind of average temperatures we're getting and the kind of spikes you can see throughout the day from our soil. Okay, so here we are at day 2. We just pulled it out, and then thanks to PicoLog Cloud, we've been able to see the whole thing streaming throughout the 24 hours. So, as you can see, the temperature of the soil has been sort of around 7 degrees. As it's quite insulated within the soil, it stayed that temperature. Whereas the air temperature, it's a bit more noisy. You can see it might have flattered around overnight, so it's a bit more all over the place. Thank you for joining us for World Soil Day. Remember to spread awareness to make sure everyone in the world is looking after our soil. And don't forget to check out the Pico Planet page and the link in the description below for more information on World Soil Day and our experiment itself. Thank you.